Stop using basic verbs like do, make, and get all the time. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining, this is Learn English with Gifty. Today, I'll teach you 30 powerful verbs that will instantly upgrade your English and make you sound more confident in conversations, meetings, and daily life. Most English learners know many words, but they still sound basic. Why? Because they use weak verbs. In this lesson, I will show you powerful verbs that native speakers use every day. And once you start using them, people would notice the difference immediately. Stay with me because the last 10 verbs are the ones professionals use at work. This lesson is practical. You will not just learn vocabulary, you will learn how to use these verbs in real conversations. Let's begin. Improve means to make something better. For example, I want to improve my English. Exercise can improve your health. So instead of saying make better, you can say improve. Increase means to make something go up or become larger. For example, the company increased salaries. We need to increase sales. This is a very powerful verb for business and daily life. Okay? Now, reduce means to make something smaller or less. For example, I want to reduce my expenses. The government reduced taxes. Okay? Not difficult, right? Good. So far, we have learned 3 powerful verbs: improve, increase, and reduce. Keep going. The next ones are even more useful. Stay with me. Let's look at some communication verbs. The first one is explain. So, explain means to make something clear so people understand. For example, can you explain this problem? The teacher explained the lesson. Gotten? Good. Next, suggest. Suggest means to give an idea or recommendation. For example, I suggest taking a break. She suggested a new plan. You see? To explain is different from suggest. Gotten? The next is recommend. Recommend means to say something is good or helpful. For example, I recommend this book. It means this book is good or this book is helpful. The doctor recommended exercise, meaning exercise is good. You need to exercise. Gotten? Now, disagree means to have a different opinion. So, for example, I disagree with that idea. They disagreed about the decision. So, when you have a contrary opinion to what someone is saying, you disagree. Gotten? Now, the next one, agree. Agree means to have the same opinion. So when you agree with something, meaning you are saying yes to the thing, okay? For example, I agree with you. They agreed on the plan. Gotten? Now, pause the video and choose the correct answer. I'll wait. The correct answer is agree. Now, let's talk about work and professional verbs. Manage. Manage means to control or handle something successfully. For example, she manages a team. I manage my time very well. Gotten? Now, achieve means to reach a goal after effort. So, let's say you went to uni and you worked hard and you eventually graduated. I mean, that's effort. So for example, he achieved success. She achieved her dreams. Yeah, that's achieve. The next one, complete. Complete means to finish something. For example, I completed the project. They completed the task. Good. Now, the next one is develop. Develop means to grow or improve over time. For example, she developed new skills. The company developed a new product. So when something grows over time, you call it develop. Now let's do a quick recap. These verbs are extremely powerful, especially in professional English. Let's say them together. Manage, achieve, complete, develop. Good job! Now, let's go to strong action verbs. The first one is build. Now, build means to create or construct something. Okay? For example, they built a house. We are building a business. Gotten? Now, solve. Solve means to find an answer to a problem. For example, we solved the problem. She solved the puzzle. Let's say you're in a mathematics class and you find a solution to the problem. Solve. Gotten? Now, the next one is create. Create means to make something new. So when you make something new, it means you are creating. For example, he created a website. They created a new design. So making something new means create. Now, you are halfway there. Keep watching. The next verbs will make you sound more advanced. Okay? So now, let's continue. Let's go to advanced everyday verbs. The first one is handle. Now, handle means to deal with a situation. For example, I can handle this problem. She handled the situation calmly. Got it? Good. Now, the second one is support. Support means to help someone emotionally or physically. For example, my family supports me. The company supports employees. That's what support means, okay? The next one is deliver. Deliver means to bring or provide something. For example, the company delivered the package. He delivered a speech. So when you bring something, it's called deliver, okay? The next one is maintain. Now, maintain means to keep something in good condition. So for example, if I say maintain your health, I'm telling you to keep your health in good condition. Or I say they maintain the equipment, meaning they keep the equipment in good condition. Now, let's go to high level verbs. The first one is identify. Identify means to recognize or find something. For example, we identified the problem. Or police identified the suspects. Got in? The next one is evaluate. Evaluate means to carefully judge something. For example, the teacher evaluated the tests. Or we evaluated the results. Okay? Now, the next one is improve. Improve means to make something better. For example, we improved the system. She improved her English. I know I said this in the first part of the video, but yeah, I'm saying it again. Improve. Okay? So, now, today you have learned 30 powerful verbs that can upgrade your English instantly. Start using them in conversations, meeting, and daily life. Okay? If you found this lesson helpful, subscribe to the channel and keep learning with me. And tell me in the comments, which verb will you start using today? See you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.